Now I'm going to show you how to do my favorite stitch. It's a French knot. So I'm going to do the center of the flower with French knot. My thread has already 3 strands. I tie a knot at one of the ends of my thread, and I'm going to start with this little flower right here in the center. So I bring my needle from the back of the fabric up. I hold my thread with my other hand, my 2 fingers, just like this. Wrap your needle with your thread that you're holding 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna poke down while holding my needle. You don't want to just let it go, because then this is gonna happen. You have to always hold your needle until you poke your next stitch. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and poke while holding next to your previous stitch, and keep pulling this very, very gently, just to create that tiny knot that you see right there. And then once it's like this, you hold your fabric right here with your thread, your fabric, and bring your needle down. You have to pull to make that noise and let go. Beautiful. It's my favorite.